Windows 10 have a problem just after installing big updates or the motherboard CD, which actually include the graphics card. You find your screen get stuck, somebody can find your cursor, but still no desktop icons, Explorer or softwares appear on your screen. To solve this problem, let's start this video. We have some preset jobs before the problem. And you need to get connected your PC and the phone with internet. If you already have Chrome, then you can sign in from here. Remember, with this email, we will log in our phone remote. You can directly open from the apps. First one, give access, and second one, for enable, we need to accept and install the host. Make a 6-digit security PIN, which your phone remote will ask. All set. So now you no need to worry anymore. You can install graphics updates. And after having the problem, you follow the next step of video. Now we are able to access our PC and the hidden display from our phone. Use your two fingers to zoom out and you will discover another display joined with that. Choose colony display and apply. If these don't work, then apply another display settings. Leave your subscribe to get connected with me.